Looking for a reliable car phone holder? The upgraded 3-in-1 car phone holder mount offers a secure and versatile solution for hands-free driving. Designed for all smartphones, this mount easily attaches to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent. Whether you're a daily commuter or a rideshare driver, this durable and flexible holder ensures your phone stays in place. One of its standout features is the powerful suction cup. With a 3-layer adhesive gel and a 1-step locking mechanism, it firmly grips surfaces without leaving any sticky residue. Plus, it withstands both high and low temperatures, making it perfect for any climate. If the suction loses grip, simply rinse it with warm water, let it dry, and it's as good as new. Just remember, it works best on smooth, non-leather surfaces. For added convenience, the 360-degree rotating ball joint and telescopic arm allow easy adjustments. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode, this mount keeps your screen at the perfect angle. Need navigation or quick access to apps? Adjust your phone effortlessly while keeping your eyes on the road. The one-button release system makes it easy to secure or remove your phone in seconds. It supports all devices from 4 to 7 inches, making it compatible with almost any smartphone. Plus, the soft silicone grip prevents scratches and ensures a firm hold, even on bumpy roads. With strong suction, full adjustability, and universal compatibility, this 3-in-1 car phone mount is a must-have for safe and easy driving. Want to upgrade your setup? Check the link in the description and get yours today.